Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez très bien. In this lesson we are going to speak about just a letter, the letter H. H in French, aspirate or mute? That's the question. Well, we are going to see the difference with these two words to start with. One of these words gets an aspirate H and the other one a mute H. So listen to the difference. Horloge, héros. Horloge, héros. Can you hear the difference between these two H? Well, you can't because there is no difference. Both of them actually in French are mute. So why do we call one aspirate and the other one mute in French? Well, aspirate, we know what it is. When it is a question of pronunciation, the meaning is to breathe out. And it is what we get when we have, for example, this English word, house. Here you can hear the aspirate H. But where can you hear the same pronunciation in a French word? Actually, you don't have. And let's look now what the French dictionary, Le Petit Robert, says about that. And the definition on the letter H, it is written, and it is here the second part, and it's very interesting. Abusivement le H aspiré en français. Abusivement le H aspiré en français. What does it mean, abusivement? Well, in English, the meaning of abusivement is wrongly or improperly. So even the French dictionary said that to call this H aspirate is wrong. It's improper. So what's the problem with our teachers and our grammar books still using this vocabulary? Well, actually in French, yes, we have an aspirate H, but I think it's just this case I know. When someone is laughing, you can hear ha, 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 ha. In this case, yes, you can hear the aspirate H, but I think it's the only case in the French language. Usually, of course, they are mute. So let's take again our two words, horloge and héros. One is called aspirate, the other one is mute. But what is the difference between these two H? Well, the difference now, you can hear it when we have a previous word. Let's add a plural definite article. And now the pronunciation is les horloges. Les horloges, you can hear there is a liaison between the two words because the H at the beginning of the word allows this liaison. The second one now with the same definite article, les héros. Les héros is the correct pronunciation. As you can hear, there is no liaison between the two words, there is a pause. And that's the difference actually between these two H. Nothing to do with aspirate and mute, because again, both of them are mute. The real difference is there is a liaison in one case and a pause in another one. So it is better to call them, instead of this vocabulary, to call the first one a plugged H and the second one an unplugged H. And it is the vocabulary I use in my lessons. So let's see exactly again what do we mean. A plugged H is a word starting with the H allowing a connection, allowing a liaison. And an unplugged H, it's a word starting with the H requiring a pause in your pronunciation. Let's take some examples. In the first category, the plug H, we've got les herbes, les heures, les horizons. And in each case, you can hear the liaison. Les hamsters, les haricots, les haches, no liaison, there is a pause. So, the question now should be, how do we know if this is an unplugged H or an unplugged H? Well, you can't, you need to learn them by heart, there is no rule about that. Yes, a bit of work, guys, sorry for that. But now, you know how to call this H. C'est fini. Alors, au revoir et bon français.